Hello everybody, Joe Zito here again from Edwards Platinum Dealy, and we're going to be doing a install of the new Sloan gravity fed tank and bowl 1.28. Sloan has come out with these, and we're going to be installing these here in our restroom at our warehouse. Some of the things you're going to need: wax seal, set of Johnny bolts, and a new supply line. Let's install it. So here we are, toilet tank and bowl is installed. As you can see, we put a seat on it as well. This has the new flushing system from Sloan, the Gravity Series bowl. As you can see, there's going to be two ports that the water is going to come out to get your centrifugal flow. Pretty simple, really nice. Please watch our other videos. Take a look at us on LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram for other videos. Thank you.